Next, I'm gonna look at adding teeth. There's a few different ways to do it. If you have a whole different way, that's totally fine. I'm gonna take a chunk of clay, roll it into a ball, and then squish it. Once you squish it, you can form it to be the shape that you want for that tooth. And then to attach it, you're going to need to slip and score it. So that means that you roughen up the edge on the side that you want to attach it to and the piece. You add a drop of water with your finger, and then you push it on and kind of wiggle it around. You should already know what slip and scoring is. If not, I have another video that you can watch for that. The way that I'm gonna make my teeth, so I'm gonna take a chunk of clay, roll it into a coil. I want it to be thinner on the sides and thicker in the middle. And then I'm gonna flatten it. Okay, so I'm cool with it being kind of an odd angle, totally fine with me. Then I'm going to take my wooden dowel and I'm going to push on, this is where the bottom of the teeth are, and then curve up. Push down and then curve up. Push down and curve up. I'm gonna do that all through. So it's just leaving like a little divot where that is, okay? And then I'm actually gonna do the same thing from the top. So I'm gonna go across from there, push in, curve up, push in, curve up. And keep doing that. Again, you can do yours however you want, but I thought this would be kind of fun. Then I'm gonna take my water, I'm gonna dip my finger in my water, I'm gonna smooth out all those rough edges. Again, you don't have to do it this way. You can go crazy, you can add fangs, it's up to you. Maybe your person doesn't have teeth. Okay, so I think that's pretty smooth, that looks good. All right, so now I'm going to attach it to here. So that slip and score thing we talked about. So I'm gonna roughen up the edge. I'm gonna go all the way over here. And then over here, I'm gonna roughen up the edge. Okay, then I'm gonna dip my finger in the water and add a little bit of water to that. And then I'm going to place that over top of this. Once I get it placed, I'm gonna push it down a little bit and then kind of wiggle it to make sure it stays. Okay, and I can kind of come through, smooth it out how I want it. Okay, and that is good for those teeth.